Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase mobile application development with Firebase easy tutorial step by step clearly. To increase mobile application development efficiency with Firebase, start by creating a Firebase account. Visit the Firebase website and sign up with your Google account. Once logged in, click on Get Started to access the Firebase console. Select Add Project to create a new project for your mobile application. Follow the prompts to name your project and select your Google Analytics preferences. After your project is created, click on Add App to configure your mobile application. Choose whether you're developing for Android or iOS and follow the instructions provided. For Android, download the Google Services.json file and place it in your app directory. For iOS, download the Google Service Info.plist file and add it to your Xcode project. Next, integrate Firebase SDK into your mobile app. For Android, update your build.gradle files to include the necessary dependencies. For iOS, use CocoaPods and include Firebase in your pod file. Once the SDK is integrated, return to the Firebase console and set up any additional features you need. For real-time database functionality, select Real-Time Database from the side menu and click Create Database. Choose the security rules that fit your application's needs and set up initial data if necessary. To implement Firebase authentication, go to the Authentication section in the console. Select Get Started and configure the sign-in methods your application will support. For Firestore, click on Firestore Database in the console and create a new database. Define the collection structure to organize your app's data efficiently. Next, integrate features like cloud functions if you need server-side logic. Set up cloud messaging for push notifications to engage users. Finally, test your application thoroughly to ensure all Firebase features are functioning correctly. Launch your mobile application and monitor its performance through Firebase Analytics. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.